Hello, friends. This is Sukhwant Singh. On 8th of March every year, we celebrate International Women's Day. I would love to share with you what Guru Nanak Dev Ji had to say about the women. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born on 29th of November 1469 and he passed away on 22nd September 1539. More than 500 years before, Guru Nanak Dev Ji spoke for the women. Those were the times when child marriage was rampant. Sati practice was there, where the wife of the deceased person was forced to burn along with the pyre of her husband, and women were not given the equal rights. The kind of respect and regard that was there for the women in the ages of the Vedas was all forgotten. That was the time when Guru Nanak Dev Ji spoke for the women. His famous lines that he has written under Asa Diwar, he writes about the women. He says, Pand jamiye pand nimiye, pand mangan vyah, pandon hove dosti, pandon chale rah, pand muआ, pand paliye, पंड होवे बंधान सो क्यों मंदा आखिए जित जम्मे राजान पंडों ही पंड उपजे पंडों बाज न कोए नानक पंडे बाहरा एको सच्चा सोए. He says, from the women we are born, Pand Jamiye, Pand Nimiye. A woman keeps us in her own uterus and nourishes us for more than 9 months. Pand Jamiye, Pand Nimiye. And when we grow up, we marry a woman. Pand Mangana Vya. Vya means marriage. Pando hove dosti. We befriend a woman. Pando chale ra. It is through women that the offsprings are born. She is the one who is helping the next generations to come. Pando chale ra. Pandamua. Pandapaliye. When the wife dies, Pandomua, when she dies, we still search for another woman to marry. Pandamua, Pandapaliye. Paliye means we search, we look out for. Pando hove bandhan. We are bounded with a woman. Pando hove bandhan. So kyo manda akhiye. Why to call her bad? So kyo manda akhiye. Jit jamme rajan. The kings, the emperors, the mighty kings are born through her. So kyo manda akhiye. Jit jamme rajan. Pando hi pandupje. From women, women is born. Pando hi pandupje, pande baj na koi. Women is born through women. Man is born through women. There's no one who can claim that he is not born through a woman. Nanak says, Nanak pando bahra, eko sacha soy. Except for the one who is the truthful God, the true God. he can claim he is not born through a woman. God alone is not born through a woman. The rest, all of us, are born through a woman. So these were the lines which I wanted to share with you about what Nanak ji had to say about women. Women has been given full rights among the Sikhism. They can do the prayer, they can recite the Gurbani, they can recite from Guru Granth Sahib Ji, they can do Kirtan, they can address, they can lead Mata Sahib Kaur after the death of Guru Gobind Singh Ji in 1708. Mata Sahib Kaur, she ruled over the Sikhs for the next more than 40 years. There are many brave Sikh women who have fought various wars and set examples for others to lead. So women, as far as Sikhism is concerned, they have all the rights which they deserve. So let us all respect the women in our lives, whether they come to our lives as mothers, they come to us as sisters or daughters or our colleagues. Let us be respectful to the women folk and never try to hinder in their growth. Whatever they want to do, they should. They are in many ways better and stronger than the men. Thank you so much for watching. If you like, please subscribe and share the videos with your friends. Thank you so much.